Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up Family Link parental controls on your child's Samsung Galaxy M13. So, firstly, open Settings, scroll down and click Accounts and Backup. You need to add child's Google account on this device, but if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account with the password that only you will know. So click Manage Accounts, click Add Account, Google, enter child's email, click Next, enter child's password, click Next, click Next, click I agree. Now go back to the settings menu, here choose Google, scroll down, click Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Choose the child's account, click Continue. Now you need to log in into parent's Google account. So enter parent's email, and enter parent's password. Click Next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click Agree. Allow. Wait a while. Then Next. Scroll down, click Next. Wait a while. Cool. Click Next, skip, and go back to the home screen. Now you need to install Family Link application on your device. So if you have iPhone, you need to install Family Link from App Store. If you have Android device, you need to install Family Link from Google Play. So just install Family Link, log in into Family Link, and here you will see all linked accounts to your Google account, to your parents' Google account. In my case, account from Galaxy device is here, HDDB. So click on Galaxy account, scroll down, and cool, as you can see, we have a full control of Galaxy device, of child's Galaxy device. We can block child's phone, we can unlock child's phone, we can block separate applications. For example, I want to block I don't know what I want to block. For example, I want to block Squid application. So click on the sandwich, block, wait a while, Squid was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.